This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Sharon Gallo. Beautiful 4/2 home ready for your growing family. Plenty of room for entertaining.Vaulted ceilings, kitchen with island overlooking the spacious family room. Split floor plan master bedroom with walk-in closet and private bathroom opposite side, other 3 bedrooms and guest bathroom. This 2005 home has a new roof 2022, furnace and AC 2020, house exterior painted 2021, septic maintenance 2020. Large yard to enjoy your barbecues with friends and family. Don't wait. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Gallo at 352-247-4492.